This is Ethan Followill. He's 19 years old. And he's a student. Ethan's family is from the US. But now they're in England. His parents have a lovely house in a village near Birmingham. These are Ethan's parents. His father's name is Dorman, and his mother's name is Blythe. Dorman's a businessman. He has a good job in London. Blythe is a part-time teacher. She likes cooking. And Ethan likes helping. Ethan has a big family. He has 4 sisters. Kater is 21. Jordan is 23. Esther is 24. And Peyton is 26. Kater, Jordan and Esther are in England, but Peyton isn't. She's in the US. Peyton is married. She has an apartment in California with her husband, Michael. Ethan likes music a lot. His favorite thing is his piano. He likes writing and playing music. He likes sport too. His best friend is Charlie. Ethan and Charlie both like baseball. Ethan's girlfriend's called Sarah. She's not in England. She's a student at university in California.
Well, listen, I should probably take off. Perfect. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit.
Ethan has a big family and good friends. He has a great life.